If you were an early investor in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or multiple other altcoins during the last bull cycles, you could have made hundreds of times your money. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you all about a brand new altcoin that I think has 100x potential. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe, and every single day I make videos teaching you about cryptocurrency. So if you like money and you like crypto, hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every single day when we come out with a new video. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please understand that everything I say in this video is not financial advice. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. In full disclosure, I do hold some of the cryptocurrency coins that I will be speaking about in today's video. All right, so before I share with you what I think this sleeping gem hidden altcoin is, I want to share with you a massive, huge update and announcement. The Crypto Millionaires Club is open for enrollment. Let me share with you exactly what you can expect by enrolling in this membership today. First, there's over 20 hours of video content and over 150 lessons with new lessons added every single month. Now, second, you're going to get instant access to new and exclusive altcoin review videos, VIP market updates, as well as time-sensitive alerts. So if you're somebody who's a long-term and a short-term trader, you're going to love this community. I also share with you updates of cryptocurrencies that I am personally buying and selling and holding. Now, if you want to chat with me personally, we have a private Discord only for Millionaire Club members only. We also have a monthly VIP group chat where I myself will answer questions in real time. It's basically like a YouTube live, but in real time, and I answer your questions. I'm really there answering the questions, and I go through and spend the time every single month on one call. So if you are interested, make sure to check out all the different student testimonials. I've had students earn millions of dollars through my trainings and programs, and I myself as well have become a cryptocurrency millionaire from scratch, and I teach you everything that I have learned in this industry for the last 6 years. So if you are interested, click the links down below, join the Millionaires Club today, and I can't wait to see you in VIP. But now let's get into the altcoin of this video, which is Myria, a Web3 gaming ecosystem powering over 1 million users. You're also able to trade with zero gas fees on Myria's Layer 2, and you'll also be able to launch and scale your blockchain game within hours if you're a developer. Now, this is a brand new must-know about gaming platform simply because they have over 1 million users right now. They also have more than 250 games with zero gas fees and free NFT minting. Now, Myria's token has a lot of other use cases, so let me share some of these with you today. First, there's going to be node purchases and rewards. Myria's nodes are an integral part of the protocol and for its security. Node owners secure the network and assist in the governance and decentralization of the Myria ecosystem. They also receive the Myrian token for rewards for doing so. So if you want to be a node operator, you can also earn rewards. Second is you're able to earn rewards staking your Myria tokens. Rewards in Myria are paid to everyone who chooses to stake their Myria token. Third is with protocol fees. A proportion of the protocol fees on every Myria transaction will be paid with Myria tokens for all trades that were executed. Fourth is that you're going to have governance. If you believe in Myria's ambitions and visions to bring real economics and genuine ownership to the world of Web3 gaming, you can stake your Myria and also earn and secure voting rights. This will allow participants to decide on the strategic direction of Myria's evolution as well as their ecosystem in a democratic way. Now, there's also going to be additional in-game utilities as well as exclusive NFT purchases. Now, according to their white paper, the global gaming industry is currently estimated to be $200 billion and growing rapidly at 12% per year. Now, let's break down some of the tokenomics for the Myria token, which is an ERC20 utility token. The total supply of this token is 50 billion, with 36% going back to node admissions, 19% for project development, 40% for an ecosystem fund, 2% for strategic reserves, 3% for liquidity at the token generation event. Now, at this token generation event, there will be some tokens unlocked immediately, and then distribution will be based on a halving schedule, which occurs every 2 years. Ecosystem will get 13% unlocked immediately, and the rest will be remained unlocked over the last 36 months. And for project development, there is a 6% cliff and linear unlock over the next 48 months. One of the biggest things that caught my attention when researching this project is the fact that they already have a ton of games in their marketplace, and the fact that there are zero fees and everything is highly scalable and secure, to me, gives me even more confidence with this project. But now let's get into the price prediction and how high can this coin really go in the future? Does it really have 100x potential? Well, according to its market cap right now, it is sitting at a $6.7 million market cap. For this coin to go to 100x and beyond, that would be over $670 million as a market cap. Now, with this cryptocurrency having a halving cycle very similar to Bitcoin, I don't know if this is going to go to 100x tomorrow, but I do believe if cryptocurrency gaming comes back, the bull market comes back, and billions of dollars flood back into the cryptocurrency market, 100x for a lot of these microcap cryptocurrency coins is not off the table. We've seen this in the past where coins have done 25, 50, 100, even 1,000 to 10,000x. I know that's crazy to say, but it has happened before. Another reason why I think that 100x could certainly be on the table for this crypto is because of all the different exchanges it's currently on. You can find this crypto on KuCoin, Uniswap, Gate.io, MEXC, OKX, and more cryptocurrency exchanges are looking to accept this cryptocurrency. If this were to go on a Coinbase, a Binance, or some of the other major exchanges, a Gemini, this is where massive adoption could come for this cryptocurrency coin. In order for this to really hit 100x and beyond, you're going to need more users. The cool thing about gaming is that gaming has billions of users already. So the fact that Myria already has a pool of a lot of games, and it's going to be very easy for people to start using and playing these games, this could be a sleeping gem right in front of our eyes. Now, another thing that caught my attention is the team and the foundation. For everything that I've researched so far, I am liking what I'm seeing. I'm also liking what I'm seeing with the current circulating supply and the total supply. Now, while only 8% of the tokens are out currently and the total supply is over 50 billion, what I do like to see is a fully diluted market cap. And the fully diluted market cap is only $83 million. And with a lot of these other cryptocurrency projects like Sui and Aptos, as well as other layer 2 solutions, this is a relatively small, fully diluted market cap, which to me, while it is a higher risk, could also potentially provide higher rewards. And if I were to give an honest price prediction for this cryptocurrency at this time, for this to 10x, it would just simply need to go to a penny. And for it to 100x, that'd be right around 16 cents at the time of this recording. So I would say anywhere between a penny and 10 cents to me could be a realistic price point for this cryptocurrency in the future. And again, this is because we've seen other cryptocurrency projects like Gala Games go from literally fractions of a penny, just like Myria, all the way as high as approximately 70 something cents. So to me, a 5 to 10 cent marker is certainly not out of the question for a cryptocurrency project that has all the things that Myria has going for it. Now, because you stayed all the way to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you some even more updates and bonuses with the Crypto Millionaires Club as we are launching this to the public. Right now, at the time of this recording, I am going to be publishing my top 10 altcoins that I'm buying now in the Crypto Millionaires Club for the next bull market. So 3, 2, 1, published. Let's go. This video is now live in the Crypto Millionaires Club. These are all the coins that I'm personally buying for the next bull run. I'm going to be holding these for quite a while. So if you're interested in learning exactly what those cryptocurrency coins are, it is in the Millionaires Club as we speak. And all you need to do is, again, click the links down below. Watch the video here if you are interested in learning even more about this whole process and what this is all about. But my goal is to help 100 people just like you become the next crypto millionaires. I know this because I've done this firsthand. Most of the subscriptions that I've seen in crypto, most of the people that are even influencers in crypto, they're not even doing crypto. It's crazy. They're just kind of reading the news and they're kind of looking at charts, but they're not really in there day to day finding a lot of these projects and actually risking their own money. I have video lessons and tutorials showing you when I'm buying, when I'm selling, when I'm actually doing all of this. And that is what separates me from virtually every other influencer out there. I don't tell you what to do with your money. All I do is show you what I'm doing and the success that I've had. And people have been able to mimic exactly what I've done. And one student even became a cryptocurrency millionaire in 6 months, which is crazy. We've had other students already earn the cost of an enrollment back in the online course, which was priced at over $500 when they enrolled. This Crypto Millionaires Club, and again, people have won cars, $30,000 to $50,000, 100x gains for people, $22,000 from a $5,000 investment. I know for a fact that what I am doing in my life right now in cryptocurrency is and can work. I don't promise you that, but what I do promise you is the education and to show you behind the scenes of what I'm doing. And if you're interested in learning all of that, again, to take a look at the course curriculum, it is insane how much I have put into teaching and giving back. I even show you exactly what I've bought in real time. All the videos are right there in the course. I even show you specific altcoins, specific strategies, time-sensitive details and alerts, as well as VIP altcoin reviews. So if there's an altcoin that you'd like me to review, you can ask this simply in our Discord, and I will do my best to review as many as I can. There are so many to review here. It's crazy, but I have a ton of different tutorials teaching you, showing you exactly how to do this. I also have taught and shown you exactly how to get into new projects early, and that's where these multiples can really go crazy. I even have my $10,000 portfolio updates In my $10,000 portfolio, we started it towards the beginning of the year. If you would have been one of the first ones to watch this with me and been a VIP student, you'd be up over double your money right now on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So congratulations. And that is just the beginning of our portfolio series here. We also have live recordings of our monthly Zoom calls. This is where I answer questions in real time. All of these you can see between 30 minutes and hours worth of time every single month like clockwork. I also have new research into pre-sales, ICOs. You can see the amount of tutorials and bonuses in here are absolutely crazy. We even have a whole bonus tutorial section sharing my favorite cryptocurrency launchpads, best ICO launchpads. The amount that you get in this is absolutely insane. I can't believe I'm actually giving this out to the public. The reason why I want to do this, though, is because so many of you have been asking me on social media for something like this. And I've already had it, and I've been using this with my own private community. And I think it's time to just give back and truly help each and every one of you if you want to join us in the club. So if you do want to join us, click the links down below. I'm really excited about this, and I will continue to share more updates with this as well as it evolves. And I appreciate every single one of your support. Thanks again for watching today's video, and I'll see you in our next one, so stay tuned.